Well, it's now been well more than a day since Israel restarted its military operations in the Gaza Strip, essentially scrapping that tenuous truce between the Israelis and Hamas that was inked back in late January, guided by the outgoing Biden administration and the incoming Trump administration. That hard-won deal now shattered, and now more than 400 Palestinians have been killed and hundreds more have been injured in the Gaza Strip. Those numbers are set to rise. Now, we're daylight once again here in the Holy Land, and it looks as though the fighting has lessened quite a bit from what we saw overnight, not last night, but the night before. Still, we heard from health authorities in the Gaza Strip, which is ruled by Hamas, that in fact there have been 17 people killed since yesterday. That is a lot less than what we saw the day before. But we did hear from Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu last night. He said that this operation was just getting started, and he said that any more negotiations for freeing those remaining hostages, of whom there are 59, both alive and dead, still in the Gaza Strip, those are going to be done under fire. Now, that has caused quite a reaction here in Israel among family members of the hostages and among the general public and former hostages. They say that this is going to really put those remaining hostages into even more peril, because even though Netanyahu and his allies have repeatedly said that only military pressure will free those remaining hostages, the numbers show that the vast majority of people who have been let out from the Gaza Strip have done so through a negotiated deal. So that means that those hostages and so many civilians in the Gaza Strip are now deeper into the firing line. Matt Bradley, NBC News, Tel Aviv.